Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Hope if you are new here. I create videos, all things nail related. I have been a licensed nail tech for about 3.5 years. I love to use this platform to help inspire other creators and maybe educate some beginner nail techs and nail enthusiasts. I post videos weekly, so if any of that sounds like something you're into, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to be notified whenever I upload. I would love to have you part of this channel. But yeah, let's just get right into today's video. So I have this reflective glitter gel polish from the gel bottle. This is in the shade Flashing Lights, and I am doing 2 coats of this, and I'm only painting about a majority of the way up. I'm leaving a little bit of the nail bare at the very top there, and I'm doing this for the watermelon rind that's going to go up there in a minute. You'll see that. Okay, so here I am going over the top with this glass pink color, and I'm only doing this because I didn't have a pink reflective glitter gel, but of course if you have one, then just use that instead. But this, I can't remember the name of this shade, but it is the glass pink from the gel bottle, and it worked beautifully. So I just did 1 coat of that and cured, and now we're going in with our art. So our light and dark green colors, and here we're going to create our rind. And I'm basically just gonna let you guys watch me do this. It's pretty self-explanatory, but just go in with a thin light green line closest to the pink, and then once you've completed that, cure, and then go on the top with the green, the dark green, cure that, and then I will come back and show you when we do our little watermelon seeds. Now I'm back. I've got this black art gel from Leaf Gel. This stuff is amazing. I'll leave a link to it below if you are a nail artist. This will change your game for sure. So I'm just creating 3 dots going along the curve of the rind with my dotting tool. And then you'll see me, I'll take a small brush here and just pull that line down from the center and then out from the sides to make it into a little black seed shape. And I'll repeat this step on all the nails and let you guys watch me do that, and I will be back to show you the finished result. Okay, and here I am going in with my favorite top coat. If you've been watching my channel, you already know about this, but this is the non-wipe hard gel top coat from Presto. And I am just quickly coating the nails in this. I will cure these and we'll check out our reveal shots. Okay, here's our final reveal. I used sticky tabs to press these on my nails just for this video, but I absolutely love how they came out. If you guys try these at all, please don't forget to tag me on Instagram. I would love to see your nailsies. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope you learned a little something. And as always, I will have all the links below in the description, the tips and all the polishes used and all that. And yeah, I hope you guys have a great evening or morning or whenever you're watching this. I'm going to show you here in a second how they look with the flash on. How cool is that? Anyways, have a great day.